Hello, this is me Ibrahim. Welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. As an English learner, always try to record myself and develop my speaking English. So currently I'm standing in a paddy field and that is located in my village. So where I will show you something, a beautiful flower. Look at the flower. That is called water hyacinth flower. It is growing now in this paddy field. And look at the view, it is amazing flower. And there are another flower. So look at the flower. This is called pickerel wheat. Look at the color, it is violent blue. So amazing flower, and they are growing in this paddy field, especially in winter season I can notice. And look at the sky, the sun is setting, very soon it will set. And birds are chirping, and look, they are flying in the sky and they are returning their house. So I'm having the afternoon time I'm having in this paddy field. So I think if I record myself every day, that can help me to improve my speaking English. That's the reason I've come here and recording myself. So if you want to develop your speaking English and confident, you can do that. You can record yourself every day. I say same thing, that if you want to improve your speaking English, try to say something in front of camera that can help you to improve your speaking English. Have a good day. Take care of yourself.